Hey, this is Tech Realty Rentals. Today we're going to tell you what to do if you notice a water leak. Water leaks can happen anytime, and acting fast can save your home from serious damage. Step 1. Turn off the water source. Find the nearest shutoff valve, usually under the sink behind the toilet, or near the water heater, and turn it clockwise to stop the water flow. Step 2. Control the water. Use towels, buckets, or a mop to stop the spread and prevent damage to floors or walls. Step 3. Report the issue immediately. Go to your Tenant Portal or .contact Tech Realty Rentals right away. Include photos or videos of the leak. It helps us send the right vendor faster. Step 4. Wait for maintenance. Once reported, our maintenance team will schedule a visit as soon as possible. Avoid trying to repair plumbing yourself. We'll take care of it safely. Thank you for watching.